My girls are here to take their rightful place in the world of tech. My name is Baratang. I'm a self-taught coder and the founder of Girl Hype. Girl Hype is a non-profit organization that teaches women and girls how to code. I'm focused on providing equal opportunities for women and girls so that they can keep on thriving where technology keeps on evolving. When I was young, I struggled to get the education that I deserved because I was Black and I lived in a township in South Africa. I encourage all my students to use their knowledge to address social ills. To have more women in STEM fields means diversified products, growth of economy, and solving people's life problems. The impact of my work has been more than 900,000 girls learned how to code. So my dream is to have every child of South Africa knowing how to code.